This is the new TPU mount for both the Carbon models and the Ion Plus models, and the way that works is it allows you to basically use a camera without M2 side screws and add that to the camera. So in most cameras you're not going to have to unscrew the lens, but you might need to if you're using a larger camera. And you should be able to just stretch the TPU over the lens, like so. Once you're able to do that, what you want to do is you want to push the mount all the way back to the furthest back part of the camera. So these tabs are basically backpack harnesses that you're going to stretch over your sensor. So don't be afraid to tear them. You can grab them and stretch them. It's TPU. And basically what you want to do is stretch them over the sensor. And you do that with the other one as well. And then basically same thing, just plop the camera into the cage or the fuselage. That's it, pretty straightforward.